our work in this problem is to find the fraction equivalent for the repeating decimal 0.631, or the 0.631. The 631 is what's repeating. So we're going to start by multiplying both sides by 1,000, or 10 to the third. And when we do that, it gives us, so notice that you have the 1,000 on the left-hand side, right? 1,000 times x. On the right-hand side, it gives you 631.631, and the 631 is repeating. So that's helpful because 0.631 repeating is x. We defined it as x when we began the problem. So you can see that we use it here to say, well, since we defined it as x, let's just write it as x. Let's substitute it. Let's replace 0.631 repeating with x because we defined it as x. Now that we have it as x, and knowing that on the left-hand side we have 1,000x over here, we're going to subtract x on both sides of the equation. And we've been doing that forever, ever and ever and ever, ages and ages. So this is definitely cleaning things up. We have 999x equal to 631. So all the messiness that we began with, where we had the point and then we had this piece after the decimal that was repeating, it's all gone. It's all gone now. So we're going to divide by the coefficient of x, which is 999 on both sides. And we now have the fractional representation. We have x equal to 361 over 999. And that is the fraction, that's the fractional representation of that repeating decimal that we began with.